Hello and welcome to another session from Learn Digital Academy. We are going to see things over here about Twitter. So if I have to tweet something, we have already seen about the character limits. Apart from that, if I was to add a particular image to the tweet, I can certainly do it from here. Select one. If you would like to go for a GIF, Twitter has the coolest GIFs. Organize a vote. So you ask the question over here. Option 2, or rather you can even have 4 options for yourself, by the way, not more than that. The maximum poll length you can go for is for 7 days, and minimum that you can organize a vote for is for 5 minutes. And as we saw, we have seen it already that we cannot get to know who has voted for what, so it's all about privacy. If you had like to go ahead to add a smileys, emoticons, that's what you call them, you can have it.